Hey, John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and today we're going to take a look at Goldvarg's brand new 1976 Pontiac Catalina. Now, the Catalina nameplate showed up first in 1950 as a trim level for the Chieftain 8, and they were made on GM's B-body, full-size Junior series is what they would have called them back then. And I'll tell you something, the Catalina spawned a whole host of models that you may or may not be aware of. Eventually, the Safari wagon came off the Catalina chassis. The 1960-1961 Pontiac Ventura was part of the Catalina chassis as well. The Grand Prix, the first appearance of the Grand Prix, was built off a Catalina chassis, and so was the Pontiac 2+2. So there's a great heritage there. Second generation came in 1961 and 1964. That was a lean and clean design, a total opposite from where they were in the late 50s. The third generation got those beautiful Coke bottle lines, and that went from 1965 to 1970, which I think those are some of the best GM designs ever. Certainly some of the best GM designs in the 60s. Now, the fourth generation came in 1971 through 1976. It was an all-new design, and Pontiac was trying to cash in on the Grand Prix, the now legendary Grand Prix long hood, short rear deck emphasis in car design. I'll let you decide how successful they were on that. But by 1976, you know, the V8 was down on power. It produces somewhere around 170 horsepower, I believe. And the new emphasis was, because they didn't have all of the ground-thumping speed that they had before, the new emphasis was on interior design, on interior accoutrements and equipment for comfort and that sort of thing. And a little bit more emphasis on handling. But let's face it, these were very large cars with relatively weak engines, so it was important to have an interior environment that was warm and inviting. Now, Goldvarg just introduced 3 versions of the 76 Catalina. All of them are in authentic factory colors. We got Athena Blue Iridescent. I've got all the colors here. We have Firethorn Red Iridescent, and then we have the NYPD delivery. So we're going to get them out, and I'm going to get them on the turntable and give you a close look at them. I've got new camera and new lighting, so hopefully you'll get a real good look at how detailed these cars are, in particular in the interiors. Let's take a look at them. So there they are. They're available at your favorite dealers. They're available on the Goldvarg website at $99. A really good buy for this level of detail. And of course, you get Sergio's legendary customer care with them as well. That's my take on Goldvarg's 1976 Pontiac Catalina. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. It means a lot to the channel. Really love your comments as well. They help me out too. And love to have you as a subscriber. I got a lot more videos coming down the pike. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back soon.